Hello, guys. This is the 68th day of English speaking, and I don't know I am getting fluency or not, but there is one thing I am so consistent, and I am, a disciplined guys. Disciplined guys need. I'm just saying I am a disciplined guy, and I have received this parcel today, and there were, agent who called me just now, and if I talk about the time is 12:18 p.m. right now, and I initiated two parcel for return, and he just picked up the return parcel and gave me this parcel I have just received, and let's unbox it. What will I going to find inside this parcel? And this is how I am getting fluency. And how can I, show you? Should I, stick my phone with the, this tripod? And how can I? I'm just thinking, how can I adjust my phone to show you? And let's, okay. Am I visible to you? Yes. I hope I am, audible. And there is parcel I am about to share with you. And I have, wireless mic as well, but I am habitual of making video without mic because my mobile capture a good quality sound, you know without having any mic. This is the inbuilt mic in my phone, and I'm recording myself without any mic, with the external mic I can say. And if you are listening to me clearly, if you are you know listening to me without any echo or without any noise, it is good for me. And now this is glasses I guess, and this is the parcel I am about to throw this in the dustbin. And now you can see, if I show you this kind of box, this is the sunglasses box, and I am just about to going to open. And this is the kind of cloth to clear the lenses of this glass. And this is the, you can see the box, and this is the main item. And now I am just about to unbox it, and it's, this is the cover, and now another cover. And just check out the build quality. And this is the goldish color I can say. Yes, this is the goldish color, you can see. And now I am about to just remove this, and now you can see I ordered this from Miso, and I don't know. It's really cheap. It's not so expensive, but it's looking so expensive and premium. It feels so premium. And let's have try how I would be. Am I really looking good? If you are hearing me, if I am really looking good in this, sunglasses, you can see. And now this is the fit on me, because I make reels for Instagram after having outfit. And I was going to Saket Court now, because there is a matter listed for today after lunch, after 2 a.m. 2 p.m. I can say, after lunch. This is why I am saying after lunch. And I was just about to leave, so I just received this parcel, and I will definitely will upload reel on some reels. I don't upload my many reels in one glasses. I have so many glasses. I already shared with you in many videos because purchased I purchase many glasses on regularly. I will definitely going to use this glasses for 2 or 3 videos only, and I will definitely go to give away one of my follower on Instagram. I randomly select one of my follower on Instagram, and I hand over it. I can say I would going to deliver him his address. I can say, and it's really amazing. It looks so amazing. You can see the fit and looks. Am I looking good? Let me know in the comment box if it's looking good and if it's really nice. And you can see this is the jacket I ordered from Miso. I can say yes, and this is really amazing. If you ride a bike, you can't feel thunder, whether it may be foggy outside or it may be how much there is thunder outside. You would not going to feel any thunder if you are wearing this while riding bike, scooty, anything, two wheeler. I mean two wheeler. This is why I purchased this, and I also ordered gloves, and it may taking some time, 1 or 2 days, and after receiving the gloves, I will definitely going to share with you. And not each and everything I share on my YouTube. You know what, why? Because I feel sometimes like I don't have time, so this is why I prefer not to share each and everything in my YouTube video, because I am on my fluency journey, and I am on my because I have taken the challenge of 100 days, and this is the 68th day of my English speaking journey, and this kind of fluency I have. Sometimes I feel like I don't have any topic to speak on. This is why I make random videos, and I can take random topics to speak on, and I didn't mean to explain each and everything, because my purpose is to speak anything, what, why, but meaningful, not on any random words or something. My aim is to produce sentences. Are you getting what I'm saying? My purpose is to speak on any topic in few words. How can I say? I am not getting, because I am thinking in my native language right now, and I am just translating in my head how would I say in English this scenario. What I am thinking in my native language. My native language is Hindi, and sometimes I feel like, sometimes I translate in my head. This is why I takes time to speak. Sometimes I get mute for few seconds, and you can feel like he is stuck or something. Then that's time I am thinking in my mind, and I am translating in my mind at that point of time. So it is all about till now, and I am just about to go to the Govindpuri first, because there is a client in Govindpuri, and there is a meeting with him, and some payment I will collect from him in favor of my finance bank, NBFC, because I am a corporate lawyer. So this is my duty to collect the payment. If he is going to pay something, I have to collect from him This way I am just going to his home. Right now I am just about to leave, and then I will go to the Sakit Court after visiting the Govindpuri, and then I will go to the Sakit Court, and then I will go to the gym, and then after doing exercise I will return to my room and see you. I guess I will definitely going to see you in on screen, I can say, in Saket Court, because I am just thinking to make video in public, because court public is my fear. I am not habitual of making video in public. I feel so shy and feel embarrassing when people looks at me, but now at time I am just try to focus. Let's people looks at me. Okay, this is what I am thinking about them. Let's look at me. I will do my job. My job is now to make video in public. Not in public, my aim is to speak. I just want to I just want to be fluent. This is my whole aim and funda, you can say. So I'm just going. So bye. See you later. Hello guys. You know what? Start a video like hello guys. It's really very pathetic, I can say, and really feel shameful when someone looks at you. Starting is really you know difficult for everyone, and I feel so shy. I am making this video. If there is you know comes to me, I will not feel that much shy, because I am doing practice of making video in public, and there is no public. I am saying in public, but there is no public. I am making video, and in the court block. This is the lower block, and I am at the 7th floor. I just came out from the gym. I did exercise today, as always, as usual, I can say. And if I show you today, you can see the today view. You can see the today view of Saket Court, Delhi. And now you can see this is the view of today. And there was an advocate who was looking at me. I am making video. This is why he was looking at me. And this is the rare things which I am doing. And but I am making video. You know what? Why? Because most of the lawyers I am watching on YouTube, and there I am, connecting on WhatsApp status, because I have numbers of most of the advocates. This is why I check sometimes WhatsApp status, and I see they are making blogs, and some are making videos and posting, and sharing on status, WhatsApp status. And there is an advocate who is much senior than me, I can say, start making blogs. I don't know why he started making blogs, if he is earning or not, and I have no idea about and I am not going to talk about his financial condition, because he carry four wheelers, and he carry a chamber, and his life is really good by outside, but I don't know about him. His financial condition I am not aware about. So, but there is one thing I knew about him. I know about him, I can say. He started making vlogs recently, and I was like, I'm making video with myself, and he makes video with everyone else, and everyone, I this is not the correct word, I am just pronounce. He makes video with everyone. Like I am making video, if there is someone who comes towards him, and he will like, hello brother, and sometimes of any discussion in Hindi. He speaks in Hindi in his videos, and I am just practicing in English. And I feel something is missing in my video sometimes without making video in Saket Code, because when I completed my video at the Saket Code, I feel like you know I am doing something good. This is why, and this is the first time I can say I didn't went to mute, and I, you know, have you seen my real expression when people come towards me? And now I am at the seventh floor. I am just going downside by the stairs. So this is all about now and the day. If I would have time at my room, I will definitely go to continue this video further. Otherwise, this would be the end of my this video, and this is the another day, I guess. And I will see you at my room or tomorrow. So bye, see you later. If you don't subscribe my channel, what are you doing, guys? Subscribe this channel. I know I am not fluent till now. I am on my journey, but you can learn from me one thing, that is consistency. I am consistent because it's you can see this is my English journey. I have taken the challenge of 100 days and I am completing regularly, slow but steadily. I am learning. So you can see and you can learn from me one thing, that is consistency. So please hit the subscribe button and like the video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.